Hello, today's idiom is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet means to get something over with because it is inevitable. So, how to make this easier to understand? So you have a report that you have to do. You don't want to do the report. It's no fun, but still you have to do it. It's inevitable. You can't escape. You can't get out of it. You have to do it. What do? You bite the bullet. You just do it, even though you don't want to do it. Look, in life there's many things that we don't want to do, but we have to. So this is when we use the idiom bite the bullet. This is a bullet. This is a picture of a dog biting somebody's arm. So bite is a verb. Bite the bullet. Here's some examples of bite the bullet. I'm going to read them from my computer screen. Are you ready? I don't want to clean the bathroom. It's disgusting. If you don't clean the bathroom, we can't go to the movies. Yeah, but look at it. Yuck. Just bite the bullet, dude, and hurry up. Example 2. When I get up on the high board at the pool, it freaks me out. It looks like a mile down to the water. No kidding. I stood up there for 10 minutes. Then I just decided to bite the bullet. I almost pooped my swimsuit on the way down.
On to the next quest.
Okay, this guy's name is George, and he's a would-be actor. He's an aspiring actor. But acting is scary, and so he always overthinks and stresses out about acting. He should just bite the bullet and go for it. This is Julie. She's choosing a wine for a get-together with her boyfriend this Friday. She can't decide between 2 bottles of wine. I think she should just buy both of them. Just bite the bullet and get both of them, because he's probably going to come over again sometime in the future. This one is a little bit sad. Obviously, the husband is abusive, and wow, she's in a bad situation. She should just bite the bullet and leave him. Run, run, run. Run far, run fast. Get away from him. Okay, that's it for this video. This was number 2, idioms number 2. I'm going to do more videos on idioms. They're important. They're difficult to learn, but okay, peace.
Good night and goodbye.